Hello everyone, welcome to my video. And for now I thought to make a video where I apply lip gloss like this one on my lips. I hope you like the color and the effect I get on my lips. It's a lip gloss, so it gives a lot of shine, a lot of sheen. It accentuates the face as you do makeup. It somehow finishes the look. So I hope you like it. This is my brand new lip gloss. And I have demonstrated just for you to see how it looks on me and how it is in color. So thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon in the next couple of videos.